Hello everybody and good night. Today in the Hormiguero we will be with Anna Scott to talk about his relationship with William Thacker. So come in, Anna.
Hello, Pablo. Good night, everybody.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm glad to be here.
Thanks. We know that you are with William Thacker. So tell us how everything began.
I remember that day like it was yesterday. I was in London because I had to answer some questions from journalists about my last film. I was walking in Notting Hill when I came into William's travel bookshop. I was looking when a man tried to steal some books, but William saw him. After that, when I was in the street, William threw me some coffee and then he told me to go to his house to change my shirt. When I was leaving the house, we kissed.
Oh my God, that's an amazing beginning. We know that after that there was some problems or not.
Yes, that's true because I had to come back to the United States and we stayed alone for a long time. But I had to return to London again for make another film. I saw him in a news conference and he asked me, if this Mr. Thacker gets down on his knees and asks you to think again, what then? And I answered, I think my answer will be yes.
So I think that you are in trouble love. Now I'm going to present the stars of this series, Trancas and Barrancas.
Hello!
Hey.
So, are you really in love with him?
Absolutely, yes.
I don't know if you are completely honest with us. I have another choice, so we are going to ask you the test of truth. Oh yes, come on. First question. We know that you stayed one night with Mr. Thacker in his house. What happened that night?
Really? I got angry with him. I don't remember the reason. But I slept in his bed and he slept in the sofa.
False. We know that something happened that night. Next question. When you were in USA, did you stay with another man?
Yes, but that wasn't true love. It was just for publicity.
True.
I'm sorry, but we haven't got more time. I'm glad to have you here. One kiss and see you soon.
I'm glad to be here too, so kisses and thank you.
Bye. Hello everybody and good night. Today in the Hormiguero we will be with Anna Scott to talk about his relationship with... ¿Por qué miro para allá, ¿Por qué miro para allá? Es que miro...
I have another choice, so you... Come on aquí.
But what is this cool?
I haven't...
I'm sorry, but we haven't got more time. I'm glad to have you here. ¿To have qué, tío?